Hello viewers, today we have a telephone lot unboxing. I haven't made one of these videos in a while because I've been trying to not buy so many phones, so they have so much backlog as it is. But I was watching this auction on eBay for probably a couple months. They had it listed as a buy it now, and the price was reasonable. Actually, it was a pretty good deal, but I just didn't want to spend the money on it. And eventually they relisted it as an auction for 99 cents, and I ended up winning it for about $12, so it was really a great deal. I would say the total value of this package here is probably $150, $200. So let's see what we have here. We got 3 different kinds of phones in here, and a lot of packing materials. This is good paper, we'll set that aside. Oh good, everything is packaged nicely. So, first item of business here we have, there should be 3 of these in here. This is a Uniden, let's see what the model number is. This is a True 9280. And this is the only series, this is the only model of the True series I've never worked with before. So it'll be interesting to see how this works. These have a very nice quality feel to them, so hopefully they'll be good. So we have 3 of these, I believe. And let's see what's in here. We have, I believe these are 9485s. Yep, True 9485-4WX. So these systems are actually original. It's got 3 or 4 of these and a waterproof one. I think 3 of these and a waterproof. These are quite dirty, but they should come clean. More 9485. We have 1 waterproof. Let's see what model this is. TWX977. This is part of the 9485 system. And let's see what we have in terms of base units. That's a cradle of some sort. This is the True 9280 base unit. It's kind of a neat base. It's very unique. This is going to be the 9485 base. Must be in pretty good condition. These are the 9485 cradles. I'm not going to open up all the cradles in video. I just want to show one of the these, the Let's see, model number TCX 930 cradles. These are also kind of an interesting design as well. Definitely going to get this system going. Probably, let's see, probably on maybe on Wednesday or Thursday. So, and there's some other cradles for the rest of the telephones, and there is a two complete systems, power adapters, and everything except the batteries. So that's cool. We've got some really neat equipment here, and hopefully it all works, or is at least repairable. So there we have it. That's going to be it for this video. I didn't bring any batteries down to test them out with. I don't think I have enough down here. I don't think I have any of those actually. This one probably would work for a test, but I don't think it's any good. So we'll do the initial checkout in another video. For now, thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.